Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install custom fonts onto your computer. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial content in the future. Now the first step is, well, you actually need a font to install. I'm using the website fonts.google.com. It's a great database of free fonts, but there's other places you can get fonts as well. Once you're on Google Fonts, you're going to scroll down to the font that you want. For this case, let's go with Cal Sans. Click on it, and then you're going to want to click Get Font, and then download all. Once this is downloaded, you're going to want to extract it. I've already put the zip here on my desktop. You're going to want to extract this folder. I'm going to extract it to my desktop, and it's going to have your fonts inside. Now the file you're going to be looking for is either going to be a .ttf or .otf, depending on the font that you downloaded. For my case, it's a .ttf. Now, if I want to download this for just myself and not all the other users on this computer, the easiest way is just to double click it and then click install. As simple as that. Now, if you want to download it for multiple users on the same computer, all you need to do is right click your font and then install. And I don't have multiple users on my computer, but it will give you an option to install for everyone. So we'll click this button, installing fonts. Now, voila, your fonts are installed and you can start using these fonts anywhere on your computer that you could use your default fonts. And just to demonstrate that this works, if I open up my notepad here and go up to the little settings, and then I go to font, family, I can go and change it to Cal Sans. And if I go back to my notepad, I'm now typing in Cal Sans. So there you have it. That's how you install fonts onto your computer. Hopefully this video helped you. Don't forget, if you have a question, leave it in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel to get more tutorials in the future, and I'll see you next time.